Welcome to Phonics Reading YouTube channel. Here on this channel, we learn to read with phonics. Let's start today's lesson. Say the sounds loudly, blend them and read with me. Are you ready? Let's start. A, P, I, K, N, I, K. Picnic, B, A, G. Bag. A picnic bag. A, P, I, N, K. Pink, W, I, G. Wig. A pink wig. H, A, G. Hug. A, P, A, P. Pup. Hug a pup. A, R, E, D. Red. R, A, G. Rug. A red rug. A, N, T, S. Ants. O, N. On. J, A, M. Jam. Ants on jam. A, R, A, T. Rat. I, N. In. A, K, A, N. Can. A rat in a can. A, ox. Fox. I, N. In. A, b, ox. Box. A fox in a box. A, t, a, g. Tag. O, n. On. A, b, a, g. Bag. A tag on a bag. T, e, m. 10. P, e, n. S. Pens. I, n. In. A, st, a, n, d. Stand. St is a consonant blend. In consonant blends, we can hear the individual sounds. 10 pens in a stand. S, I, x. 6. E, g, s. Eggs. Double letters make only one sound. We don't read it as e, g, g, s. I, n. In. A, b, ox. Box. 6 eggs in a box. K-a-t, cut. A-p-a-m, k-a-n, pumpkin. Cut a pumpkin. Now mute the sound of the video and try reading on your own. Start from the beginning. Thanks for watching. See you soon.